Hi, good morning. We have chapter 7. So, yesterday we learned how to FOIL. So, I multiplied a binomial times a binomial. So, it was like a plus b times whatever, c plus d. So, that's what I did yesterday. And I multiplied, and my answer was a trinomial. So, I had to combine some like terms, the outside, inside were the like terms. But today we're not really going to use FOIL. So let me wipe that out because I don't want you to think that it's going to be first, outside, inside, last today. We are going to simply multiply everything in one parentheses by everything in the other. So it's distributive property. So we're going to use distributive property. And here we go. So I'm going to focus on the first term, and I see that there's just an x. This x needs to be multiplied by all three in the other parentheses. I'm not going to multiply the x times 2. The x is going to get multiplied by the 5. I'll draw a line to it. The x will get multiplied by the 3x. I'm going to draw a line to it. And the x is going to get multiplied by the negative x squared. I'll draw a line to it. Then underneath, negative 2 gets multiplied by the 5. Negative 2 gets multiplied by the 3x, and negative 2 gets multiplied by the x squared. So you need to make sure that for every little hoop that you draw, you have a term, an answer. So this is going to be a long answer. Here we go. I'm going to start with the x in front. X times 5 is what? 5x. Then I go to the x times the 3x, my second curve. X times 3x. Someone else. 3x squared. Now, it's a positive 3x squared. So I'm going to put plus 3x squared. Because positive and plus sign mean the same thing. Lastly, x times negative x squared. So an x times an x squared. And it's negative, but what is x times x squared? I won't have a giant 2. I like the negative sign that you said. Oh, yeah.
Negative x cubed.
Negative x to the third. So this with all positive numbers would be x to the third. But x times a negative x squared, negative x cubed. I'm going to keep going. So don't write so big because I don't want you to get to problem B. I don't want you to infringe on problem B. Now I'm going to do the underside, negative 2. What's negative 2 times 5? Negative 2 now times everything over there. Negative 2 times 5. This isn't a good sign. Negative 2 times 5. You're just tired? Negative 10. Okay, well, she's helped a lot, so you can take a break, Ashley. Negative 2 times 3x. Negative 2 times 3x. Negative 6x. Very good. And then negative 2 times negative x squared. Negative 2 times negative x squared. It's going to be a positive because a negative times a negative is a positive. So it's the numbers are the 2 and then the x squared need to be multiplied. A 2 times an x squared. It's going to be positive because they were both negative. Positive 2x, but it's just going to be squared. So that one's a little weird. Like negative 2 times negative x squared. Positive 2x squared. Now things are out of order. I need to put this in standard form, which means the biggest exponent leads the way. My biggest exponent is, nope, there it is. And there's a negative sign in front of it. The negative sign stays with it. So I'm going to lead the way with my negative x cubed. This is standard form. And now I'm going to do like combine like terms on the rest. A 3x squared and a 2x squared, those are like terms. 5x, negative 6x, those are like terms. 10's going to be all alone. Okay, so I can put next after x cubed, I go in descending order. The next exponent is x squared. So it's red. 3x squared plus 2x squared. I'm just adding. I have 3 rolly backpacks plus 2 more rolly backpacks. How many rolly backpacks altogether? 3x squared plus 2x squared. You just add the numbers in front. 5x squared. It still stays a rolly backpack. Don't make it x to the 4th. No. Purple. 5x minus 6x. 5 minus 6. Negative x. Yep, negative 1x. And you guys, the 10's all alone. Nothing. Can't do anything. But it's a negative 10. Don't forget about the sign. This takes care. This takes time. You do not rush through this. Okay. What if it's backwards? That's fine. Let's just start at the front. This 4x squared has to get multiplied by the 2x and the negative 5. The negative 3x has to get multiplied by the 2 and the negative 5. The negative 1 has to get multiplied by the 2 and the negative 5. See that? Okay. So again, I'm just following all the hoops. 4x squared times 2x. 4x squared times 2x. What is it? 4x squared times 2x. What's 4 times 2? Do the numbers first. 8. Yep. Well, yeah, x squared times x. X cubed. You're going to have to write small. This is going to be long. 4x squared times negative 5. You do the numbers first. 4 times negative 5. Negative 20. And then x squared. Now do the negative 3x. Remember, there's a negative sign in front of 3x. Negative 3x times 2x. Negative 6x. I just did x times x. X squared. Negative 3x times negative 5. Negative 3x times negative 5. Positive 15x. Okay. Are you guys with me? Are you seeing the pattern? Negative 1 times 2x. Negative 1 times 2x. Negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 5. Positive 5. Okay. Oh, it's kind of nice that it's in order. Because the x cubed is all alone. But I've got to do my x squareds together. And then my x to the first power is together. The 5 is going to be all alone. Poor 5. Okay. Here we go. 8x cubed. Now do the purples because they're both x squareds. They're like terms. Do not change the exponent. Just worry about the 20 and the 6. Negative 20 and negative 6. Negative 20 and negative 6. What is it? Negative 20, take away 6. It's not 14. Negative 26 x squared. And then 15x minus 2x. 15 minus 2. 13x. It's a positive 13x because the 15 had more and it was positive. Plus 5. So my answers aren't trinomials today. My answers are going to be maybe polynomials. 4 or 5. We don't know. Could be lots. Okay. So I'm going to do more examples together. Let's do 1, 3, and 5. Okay. 1, 3, and 5 we'll do during notes right now. Draw your hoops. X times x squared. X times 3x. X times negative 2. And then the 1 times everything. 1 times x squared. 1 times 3x. 1 times negative 2. Okay. X times x squared. X cubed. X times 3x. 3x squared. X times negative 2. Negative 2x. And then I'm going to do my lower, which is 1 times everything. How easy is this going to be? 1 times x squared. Just x squared. 1 times 3x. 3x. 1 times negative 2. Negative 2. And let's do like terms. All right. X cubed. Now purple. 3x squared plus another x squared. 3 of something plus 1 of something. 4 of it, right? Plus 4x squared. My red. Negative 2 plus 3. Negative 2 plus 3. Just 1, right? 1x. I'm not going to put a 1 in front of it. I don't need to do that. Lastly, yeah.
What about the negative 2?
Oh, right now. And we're done. Good. Okay, try number 3 by yourself. And then I'll do 5 with you. Try number 3 on your own. Here we go. I'll go fast. Did you get for your final answer 6x cubed minus 7x squared minus 11x plus 12? Did you get that? Good. Good, good. Okay, 5 together. We're going to do just the x. And then underneath the 5. X times x squared. X cubed. X times negative x. Negative x squared. X times negative 3. Negative 3x. So I finished the top curves. Now I'm going to do the bottom curves. 5 times x squared. 5x squared. 5 times negative x. Negative 5x. 5 times negative 3. Negative 15. Right. Final answer. Someone tell me. Derek, I know you're done. What'd you get for your final answer on 5?
X cubed plus 4x to the second power.
He's right, yes. Then?
Minus 8x.
Yes.
Minus 15.
Good job. Awesome. Great.